So today, we're going to be looking at Raydium, the ticker symbol RAY. We'll be doing a thorough analysis, and then, in my opinion, I'll be making some predictions for the upcoming bull run. Now, as you can plainly see right here, we are indeed looking at the chart for RAY. And what's really encouraging, is that when you're considering buying into this asset, the buy indicator is consistently showing a very positive signal. The buy indicator is flashing. Yes, the buy indicator is flashing. So seeing that buy indicator at 86% is absolutely fantastic. Now, the reason I've decided to really dive deep into analyzing Ray, is because we've observed similar incredible performance, a significant surge, with two other coins that are currently making massive waves, Trump and Melania. Both of those coins have experienced explosive growth recently, and that has, in turn, led to Raydium seeing gains of several percentage points. You can see all of this right here. It's all been fueled in a significant way by Donald Trump. And, he launched his own token. He launched his token and it really took off with this particular surge. And from that point, right here, we saw gains of, let's say, around 40% to 42% at their maximum. Clearly, these are daily candles we're looking at, and you can very easily observe that the indicator is functioning precisely as intended. After a dip, we see reversal candles appear. We then see a bounce back, a break of structure, and then we come back to retest, but it bounces again. This is all on the 4-hour time frame. So let's switch over to the daily chart, which presents an even more beautiful picture. And when I tell people time and time again that when you're looking to buy and the buy indicator is showing that signal, it's always a good sign. The buy indicator is signaling. The buy indicator is signaling. The buy indicator is signaling. So buying when the buy indicator from Crypto-Quebec is active, that's consistently a very solid strategy. Therefore, the key is to actively seek out those tokens that are showing a strong buy indicator signal. And there's no mistake about it. You don't need to be glued to your screen all day long staring at different time frames.
We're looking at potential targets hitting 1162, and naturally, as you can see, when we reach a new high, we reach the 1.0 Fibonacci extension. In fact, we've pulled back to the 222 level. You see, after that, we push off again, we'll come back to the 1.68, we might pull back perhaps here or maybe over here, and then we push off again. It's a zigzag pattern upwards. And the ultimate target for the bull run could potentially be as high as 12.84. But the crucial element, you see, is to diligently follow the price action, to follow the trend, When we break through the cloud with a strong impulse candle, that's when we enter the trade. Then, when we arrive at a point like this and we see a reversal candle, a red one, we push forward, it reverses, we reach our target, and when we re-enter the trade, we re-enter the trade on another impulse candle. You see, I personally only trade these impulse candles. So I'll enter the trade, I'll ride it up to, let's say, the 1.5 extension, then I'll observe the candles. And when I see a red reversal candle at the top, I'll exit. I'll wait 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and then I'll enter the trade again. We move up. You understand? It's quite simple, really. The indicator from Crypto-Quebec? Yes. So this is my outlook for Raydium. Potentially 11.62, maybe even 11.84. The most important thing is to consistently follow your trade, to ensure that you're paying attention. What's key is not to anticipate the exact level. When you observe a candle that's red or blue, signifying a potential reversal, that's your cue to exit. And fundamentally, the most critical aspect is to remain disciplined and follow your trade plan. Let's not forget, and this is a very important detail, that each candle displayed here represents one full week. So you don't need to be stressed, constantly staring at your computer screen to effectively trade with Crypto-Quebec. I sincerely hope that you found my update on the bull run for Raydium, the ticker RAY, to be valuable. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.